Hi, I'm Sonna Brado from Spokane, Washington, USA. I'm a global artist for KMS, and today we're going to be talking about what's new in short hair. So I've started Corinne's style equation with the Color Vitality Shampoo and Conditioner. Now I'm adding in the MOISTREPAIR Revival Creme for our cutting lotion. For Corinne's look, I'm going to be taking away the shagginess on the bottom, leaving more length in through the top, and doing a pretty strong undercut. I've divided the top from the bottom, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to do what I call borrowing a smile. So I'm going to take a little bit out of the back area and actually add it to the top. This will help with our disconnection. One of the most important parts of disconnection is to make sure that you have enough hair on top to cover over the shorter hair underneath. So after I've parted off, I always like to go back in and take a look at that hair and make sure that I've got enough that it will hang over the underneath area. What's going to make this fresh and new for an undercut is that I'm going to leave soft edges instead of taking it super short underneath. I'm going to work in the back area first with a traveling guide, and I'm going to cut a square line. This is going to leave some softness around the bottom and also build up a little bit of volume in the occipital bone area. As I'm moving into the side area, I'm going to change my line from square to an increase in length. I don't need to build up weight or volume underneath on the sides, and I also want a little bit more length around the front. I'm working through the top now, and I've switched to my razor because I want to create a little bit more of an open feeling to the hair, a little bit wispier. And so I'm working with vertical sections and working another square on top of my square that was underneath to help build up that volume in through the back area. I've used a traveling guide through this back section, and then right at corner back, I'm going to start over directing back to a stationary guide. And then this is going to give us some development of length as it travels forward. Now I'm going to be working to an increase in length. So I'll be taking pivoting sections around the top and then cutting my line longer in front. For Corinne's style, I'm going to use the Multi-Benefit Spray from CONSCIOUSSTYLE. This is going to give us a little bit of extra texture and volume to the hair. I'm going to finish Corinne's hair with the hydrating oil from MOISTREPAIR and add a layer of the Firm Finish Hairspray. So what I've done to make short hair new is I've done an undercut shag, leaving the top longer, taking the underneath shorter, but still having a very wispy, piecey feeling to it. For more videos like this, be sure to watch our KMS Global YouTube channel.